In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain in the Google Admin Setup Wizard. To get started, sign into your Google Admin portal and open the Setup Wizard dashboard. This is where Google guides you through the initial configuration process for your workspace, including the important step of proving that you own your domain. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the verification section. In that area, Google will provide a unique verification string. This is usually a TXT record value that you'll need to place in your domain's DNS settings. Go ahead and copy that verification string carefully. It's important to copy the entire code exactly as shown without leaving out any characters or adding extra spaces. After that, open a new browser tab and go to your domain hosting dashboard. This should be the account where you manage your domain's DNS records. Depending on your hosting provider, the layout may look a little different, but the goal is the same. You need to access the DNS management area for your domain. Take your time here and make sure you are editing the correct domain if you manage more than one. Once you're in the DNS settings, create a new TXT record. In the value or content field, paste the Google verification string that you copied from the admin portal. If your provider asks for a host or name, it may sometimes be left blank or set to your root domain, depending on the platform. The key part is making sure the verification string is entered accurately in the TXT record. Before saving, double-check the entry for any typing mistakes, since even a small error can prevent verification from working properly. Now save the new TXT record in your domain hosting dashboard. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to update, although in many cases they begin working fairly quickly. Once the record has been added, return to the Google Admin tab where you started. Back in the Setup Wizard, click the Protect Domain button. This tells Google to check your domain's DNS records and look for the verification string you just added. If the record has propagated, Google should confirm that your domain is